Hi everyone, this is Rakesh. Welcome to VR Computer Education. This channel helps the students to learn the computer subjects in an easy way. So to get more lecturer videos, please encourage me by subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting. Let us begin the today's class.
Let us start the important concepts in C programming, or that is operators. In C programming, there are very important concepts. In that, this is one of the most important concept. So, by seeing the word operators, we can say a person who operates in general. A computer is called as computer operator. A person who operates a machine is called machine operator. Means what? Performs some actions, specific actions. In a C language, operators provides symbols. That symbols are called as operands or arguments. That symbols will perform some operations and generates the results. So let us discuss in a simple, easy way, clear and in detail. First, we'll see the definition. Operator is a symbol which takes two or more arguments called as operands, process them and generates the result. So operator will process the operands and generates the results. Basically, it performs a specific action by combining the operands given with it. Let us see with example. Now I'll take for example A equals to 4, B equals to 5. Here A and B are called as operands. 4 and 5 are called as values of operands. Next, C is equals to A plus B. So what is the C? C is equals to A plus B. Now let us see what is A is called as. It is a operand. A is a operand. B is also a operand. See now, A is operand, B is operand, and what is plus? Operator. Now expression C is equals to A plus B. Now 4 plus 5. Now plus is the operator. What is the meaning of plus operator? Addition. So 4 plus 5 results 9. So C will store 9. So the result of this operation is 9. So operator is a symbol. Here plus is a symbol which takes two or more arguments, process them and generates the result. But in C language, there are several number of operators available. Different operators will perform different operations and they manipulate data and variables. It can perform mathematical calculation between arguments. So based on passing arguments, so generally operators are three types: unary operator, binary operator, ternary operator. Unary means 1. We know binary means 2, ternary means 3. So unary means an operator which operates only on one operand, that is called as unary operator. An operator which takes only one operand is called unary operator. So your plus plus, minus minus is considered as unary operators, are also called as increment and decrement. Plus plus is considered as increment, minus minus is considered as decrement. Suppose you take A plus plus. A is the operand and plus plus is the operator. So unary operator will take only one operand, that is called unary operator. Next, binary operator will take two operands, that is plus, minus, multiplication, division. These are all binary operators. It's like this: a plus b, a minus b. So these are the operators which takes two arguments. It's called binary. Same way ternary means it will take three operands or process on three operands. Here it is taken as question mark, colon is considered as ternary operators. See, for example, I am writing C is equals to A greater than B, question mark, A colon B. So generally ternary operator will check the condition. It is used to check the condition. How it will check the condition? So let us see. C is equals to A greater than B, question mark, A colon B. Now here this question mark and colon is considered as ternary operators. They are taking three operands. See, now A, how it is taken? A is greater than B, that is question. If it is greater, result will be A. If it is not greater, then result will be B. So this A and B are nothing but true and false expressions. So if condition becomes true, then A value is displayed. If condition is false, B value is displayed. So this A and B are the values separated by colon, and question mark is a condition. And that's why ternary operator is also considered as a conditional operator. So in conditional operator, about this ternary operator we will discuss in detail. Next, based on operators, we passing the arguments. Operators are again classified into 8 types. They are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, conditional operator, just now I said ternary operator. Next, increment decrement operator. Next, bitwise operator. The next, special operators. So based on we pass the arguments like this, operators are classified into 8 types. Let us see one by one in detail. Let's move into the first, arithmetic operators. What are arithmetic operators? All mathematical operators are considered as arithmetic operators, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo division. See, we know addition and we know subtraction and we know multiplication and we know division. And what is this modulo division means? So addition we consider as plus, subtraction is minus, multiplication is taken as this, not x, this is asterisk symbol. Then next, this is considered as this is considered as division and this is considered as modulo division. Okay, so let us erase this and we'll check. See now, addition, subtraction, multiplication is not this one, this is wrong, this is multiplication, and this is division and this is modulo division, not percentage. So we know addition, subtraction, multiplication, but in the division we have coefficient value and remainder value. So this will give coefficient value and this is will give an remainder value as a result. Okay, let us see. The division operator generates the result as quotient value and modulo division generates the result value as remainder value. Based on the types of arguments, arithmetic operators are again classified into 3 types, that is integer, float or real, next mixed arithmetic. Now what is integer arithmetic? Will take only integer values. So integers means what? Generally, suppose 2 is there. It is at 0.3. Now integer means without point values. Real means with point values. So 2.3 is considered as real number. So integer arithmetic means a value which does not contains point values. Those are called integer values. An operator which takes two operands is integers or called integer arithmetic. So here operator will take two operands and that operands are integers only. Just now I said what do you mean by integers? Integers are nothing but a value without point. Those values are considered as integer values. Next example, a value is 7, b value is 5. A plus b is equals to 12. Now a plus b, 7 is an integer number, 5 is an also integer number. Next a minus b, 2. A multiplies 7 5s 35. The next here a by b division, quotient value 1 and remainder value is 2. So here I'll take this operation, I'll explain you. A by b nothing but 7 by 5. So generally how we do in the division, like this, 5 7, and we know this is quotient place. So 5 how many times? So 7 will not come, that is 5 ones are 5, that is 2. So we can keep a point, no problem. Here we put 0. Next 5 4s are 20, like this we will write and we'll make it as. Now but it is an integer arithmetic which takes only integer value, not the fractional part. That's why result is considered as 1. So here 1.4 means this is integer part and this is fractional part. But integer arithmetic will take only integer part. That's why the result is 1. And you can see here after point it won't consider the values. That's why generally when we perform 5 7, 5 ones are 5, that is 2. Final, closed. That's why remainder is 2. So 1 is quotient and 2 is remainder. So this will given by division and this is modulo division. I hope you understood. Next, real arithmetic. So real arithmetic also will take two operands, that is real numbers means which contains point values. The result also will be real only. So real arithmetic, the other name is floating point values. See here 7.0, 5.0, that is 12.0. Next 2.0. Next this multiplication 35.0. Next see now you got 1.4 here in floating point. So when we do division here we got 1.4 and here is the result 1.4. So modulo division can't be used with real numbers. Okay, modulo division is not possible like this 7.0, 5.0 we cannot perform. This is not possible. Next, mixed means both contains integers plus float or real numbers. So one value will be float value, one value will be integer value. That is considered as mixed arithmetic. Say here a plus b is 12.0, then 2.0, 3.35.0 and 14. Here modulo division is not possible. Let us see with example program. So hash include header files declaration, main function and variables declaration, clear screen. Now here %d will store the value of a plus b. So here result will be 12. Next here result will be 2 and here result will be 35, and here result will be 1, and here result will be 2. And this is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo division. And close and see the output, that is 12, 2, division is 1, multiplication is 35, and modulo division is 2, because we have taken only integer values. So percentage D is the format specifier. It is used for displaying integer values. So it will display the data only integer values. So this is about arithmetic operators. The next class will discuss about remaining operators also in clear and detail. Next we will continue with relational operators. In the previous class we have learned about arithmetic operators. Now we will see relational operators. So what is the relational operator? The name gives. Relational operators are also called as comparison operators because you are used to compare the relationship between two or more variables or operands. So after comparison, it will give the result either true or false. Here true means 1, false means 0. So based on the given condition, it will give the result. And relational operators are used with logical operators. So after learning the logical operators, how they are used, we can learn. Now what are the relational operators we have? That is greater than. I think these symbols are no, in the mathematics we see these symbols, but in the mathematics it is called as greater than, but here it is called as is greater than because I am asking question. So if we write the expression like this, so a greater than b, but here in the programming language it is called as a is greater than b. If it is greater, it will give the result as true. False, if we give the result as false. Similarly, this is lesser than, is lesser than. Here greater than or equals to, two conditions are checked. First it will check the given, suppose if I write like this, a greater than or equals to b. Now first it will check for a greater than b, next it will check for a equals to b. So based on that it will give the result. Next same way here also, is less than or equals to. First here it will check the lesser than, next it will check the equals to, next equal to, next not equals to. So these are the relational operators. Let us see with example program. Okay. So here let us see with example program. First header files declaration, next main function, next variable declarations, the next clear screen. Now here first expression, that is a greater than b. So substitute the values. What is a value? 10, greater than 20. 10 is greater than 20, it is false, or you will get the result as 0. Next one, c less than b. What is c value? 10. 10 less than 20, 10 is less than 20, it is true, or you will get as 1. Next, b not equals to c. What is b value? 20. Not equals to 10. Yes, 20 is not equals to 10, that is true, or result you will get as 1. Let us check the results. So first one is 0, next one is 1, and b not equals to c is 1. So like this relational operators are executed. I hope you understood about relational operators. Next, the most important operators are logical operators. They will test the logical operators are used to test the conditions. Okay, if the condition is true, then the result will be true. Here condition is false, result will be false only. Logical operators are also called as Boolean operators because it gives the result either true or false. And logical operators are used with relational operators. You can see logical operators also called as Boolean operators, which are used to test the condition whether it is true or false. If the condition is true, it gives the result as true. If the condition is false, it gives result as false. These operators are used with relational operators. So what are the logical? Three logical operators we have. They are logical and, logical or, logical not. So what logical and, how the logical and will give the result, should know the truth tables of each of them. So by checking the truth tables only we can say how the results are generated by each operator. So let us discuss one by one. So before that we'll see the syntax of this. See, relational operator expression 1, logical operator and relational operator 2. So here I have written, see, A greater than B, logical and it is, and A less than B. So to know the result of this, first you should learn the truth tables of how the logical and will give the result, how the logical or will give the result, how the logical not will give the result. So then only you can easily know. Next we'll see logical and. So here logical and gives the result as true when both conditions are true. So if two conditions are true, then the result will be true. Then the truth table of this is, see here, when both conditions are true, then the result will be true for logical operators. See here, first one is true and the next one is also true. That's why result is true. And here first one is true and the next one is false. So the result is false, because the logical operators gives the result to true only when both should be true and true. But here false true, result will be false, and both are false, obviously result will be false only. Let us discuss some examples on this. So here I am taking here a value as 2, b value as 5. Now first expression, I am taking a less than b and b greater than a. Now here substitute. Now what is a value? 2 is less than 5. Next, what is b value? 5 greater than 2. First you check, 2 is less than 5. Yes, it is true. 5 is greater than 2. Yes, of course it is true. But in between we have and. So and gives when both the results are true, then the result will be true or 1 it will display. Next we'll see second example. So that is a equals to b and b greater than a. Now you substitute, what is a value? 2 equals to 5. 2 is equals to 5. No, it is false. B is greater than, sorry, here 5 is greater than 2. Yes, it is true. But in a logical operator false and true, the result will be false or 0. Let us see one more example. A not equals to b and b greater than a. Here what is a value? That is 2 not equals to 5. Yes, it is true. Next here, what is b value? 5 is greater than 2. Yes, it is true. In and true gives true or 1. So like this logical and will execute. I hope you understood. Next we'll move to the logical or. So here in a logical or in the logical and any two conditions should be true, then the result will be true. But in logical or only one condition should be true, then the result you will get as true. See, what are the logical operators? So here two conditions are true, result of course it will be true, because in logical or only one should be true, then the result will be true it gives. But in the logical and both should be true. If both should be true, then only the result will be true in logical and. But in logical or any one should be true to get the result as true. So here true and false, that's why it is true. And here false and true, one is true, that is true. Both are false, then result will be false only. Let us see some examples on this also. Now here same, I am taking a value as 2, next b value as 5. In the first expression I am taking a is greater than b or b greater than a. Now what is a value? 2. 2 is greater than 5, that is false. Next, what is b value? 5 is greater than 2, that is true. So in OR property, false true gives true as result or 1. Next we'll see second one, that is a greater than or equals to b or b less than a. Now what is a value? 2 is greater. Here we need to check the two conditions. See, greater than or equals to it is. So first 2 greater than 5 we need to check. Next 2 equals to 5 we need to check. 2 is greater than 5, that is false. 2 is equals to 5, this is also false. Mean between what we have? OR property. OR means any one should be true to get the result as true, but here both false gives false only. Next, b less than, what is b value? 5 less than 2, here also false. So this is false, this is false. In between r is there. The result will be, what is the result? False or 0. So let us check third example. A less than or equals to b or b not equals to a. So what is a value? 2 less than 5, 2 equals to 5. What is 2 less than 5? The condition is true, but 2 equals to 5 false. Here less than or equals to 1 should be true, so the result will be true. Here we got true result. What is b value? 5 not equals to 2, that is true only. So both the conditions are true in the R, then the result will be true or 1. So like this logical OR will execute. I hope you understood about logical OR also. Next we'll move to the logical NOT. So it will negate the expression. Means if the condition is true, result will be true. If the condition is false, result will be, if the condition is true, result will be false. If the condition is false, result will be true, like that. See, the logical operator which is used to test the condition, it returns true if the condition is false. It returns false when the condition is true. See here, if the condition is true, result will be false. If the condition is false, result will be true. So let us see one example on this. Here I am taking a value as 2, b value as 3. The condition is first expression not b less than a I am taking. What is b value? 3. 3 is less than 2. So 3 is less than 2. The condition is false. So not false, the result will be true here. See here, what is b value? 3. What is a value? 2. This is less than symbol. I am asking 3 is less than 2. That is false. 3 is not less than 2. 3 is actually greater than 2. So the here condition, but not means negates the expression. Condition as false, result will be true or 1. Next, second example, I am taking not a greater than or equals to b. Now we need to check two conditions. What is a value? 2 greater than 3. Next, 2 equals to 3. Now here what happens? 2 greater than 3, that is false. 2 equals to 3, false. False, false. Here we get false. Not false means the result will be true or 1. So like this, logical operators not will execute. I hope you understood logical or not also. So these are three logical operators: and, or, not. And means both the conditions should satisfy. Or means any one condition should satisfy. Not means negates the expression. Condition is true, result is false. Condition is false, result is true. Like that. Now we'll see the program on this. Logical operators. Now header files, main function. Now x, y, z values I am taken declared 10, 30 and 20. Now I need to calculate p, q and r. So first we'll calculate p value. So what is p value? It is x value, substitute in that 10. Is greater than 30. Next, and y 30 not equals to 20. So 10 is greater than 30, that is false. 30 is not equals to, that is true. But here it is and both should be true. Then what is the result here? What is p value? That is false or 0. Next we'll see q value. What is z value? 20. Less than x value is 10. And next, and what is sorry, here it is or, not and, here it is or. Now y, what is y? That is 30. Is greater than, what is x value? 10. So 20 is less than 10, that is false. Next, 30 is greater than, that is true. But here it is OR property. In OR false true, result will be true. So q value equals to true or 1. Then next, this one, r value. So here not is there. What is y value? That is 30. Equals to 10. So 30 is equals to 10. That is false. So not false, then the result will be true. What is r value? True or 1. So p value is 0, q value is 1, r value is also 1. Let us see the output. See, p value 0, q value 1, r value equals to 1. So I hope you understood logical operators also. And next class we'll see remaining operators. Next we'll see about assignment operators. So previously we have discussed about relational and logical operators. Now we'll see assignment operator, most important operators. So what is assignment operator? Assignment operator, in the name it gives, which is used to assignment. So we have two types of assignment operators. They are simple assignment, compound assignment. Simple assignment operator means it is used to assign a value to the variable. So generally we declare a variables. So after declaring a variable, we need to assign a value to that variable. So how we assign a value to the variable? Using assignment operator only. So assignment operator is used to assign value to the variable. See here example. Suppose I'll take, here I am writing a equals to 10. So a is a variable. equals to is the assignment operator. Now 10 is the value. Now you see, value of the variable will be always at right side and variable will be at left side, followed by assignment operator. So generally we say assigning value to the variable is called initialization. So generally we declare a variable like this, int a. It is a is the integer variable declaration. Now I'll assign value to the variable. How we assign value to the variable? By using assignment operator. So value will be at right side. Always variable value will be at right side only. Variable will be at left side, followed by equal to assignment operator, and this is the value. Next, see, a is a variable at left side, equals to is a simple assignment operator. Next, 10 is a value of the variable at right side. I hope you understood. Next, we'll move to the compound assignment operators. So compound assignment operator, generally it is a combination of binary operators and simple assignment operator. So binary operator we have like addition, subtraction, multiplication, next division, then next modulo division. These are all binary operators. So examples. Next is a combination of binary operator and simple assignment operator like this. This is considered as compound assignment operator. So what it will do? So here binary operator will perform operations on both operands and stores the result of the operation into the left operand, which must be modifiable L value. You can see the compound assignment operators. See now. So this is compound assignment operator, which is considered as now this is a compound assignment operator. Plus equals to, the meaning is, I'll write like this, a plus equals to b means it is calculated as a equals to a plus b. So it is internally it performs operation like this, a equals to a plus b. Suppose we'll take a value is equals to 2 and b value is equals to 3. Now if I ask like this, that is a plus equals to b means internally it will calculate like this, a is equals to a plus b, that is 2 plus 3, then it will be 5. So the value of a equals to 5 like this. It is calculated. So just now I said it will perform operations. It will perform operations on operands and assigns a result to the left operand. That is, what is left operand here? This is a is considered as left operand. So your right operand is b and the left operand is a. So it will perform the operations on operands and assigns the results at left operand. Similarly, here a minus equals to, multiplication equals to, division equals to, and modulo division equals to. Like this, compound assignment operators will perform the operations. Let's see the program. So header files declaration, main function, variable declaration, and that is a value is 7. The next b value is 5. Next clear screen. So first result. So a plus equals to b means it is taken as a equals to a plus b. Now it is calculated. How it is calculated now? That is a equals to 2, sorry, that is it is taken as a value is 7 plus 5, so that equals to 12. Now what is a value? That is 12. So generally how we used to perform a C is equals to a plus b, like this. This is normal addition of two numbers. Now here compound assignment operator, what it will do? It will operator will operate on operands and assigns results to the left variable. So left variable is a. Next, a minus. So a equals to a minus b. So like this it will perform. So now a equals to 7 minus 5, that is 2. Next, here a equals to a into b, and that equals to a equals to, now what is the value of 7 into 5? So that is 7 5s are 35. We will get the result. Okay, 35. Next, here division, a equals to a divided by b, it is considered. Now what is a value? You will get some 1.4, so it will take integer value, that is 1 only. Next, a equals to a modulo division b, that is, what is a value? You will get 2. So generally it will perform like this, 5. Now 5 ones are 5 will take, that is 2. So integers will not take the 0.0 like that. That's why quotient value it gives, that is 1, and remainder value, that is 2. Let us see the outputs. See, a plus b is 12, a minus b is 2, and here multiplication, okay, that is 35. Then next division and modulo division. So this is about assignment operators and compound assignment operators. I hope you understood what is assignment operators, simple assignment and compound assignment. Next we'll go to the important operator, that is ternary operator or conditional operator. So name itself gives conditional operator, means it will test the condition. If the condition is true, it will display as true value, then the true part will be executed, and if the condition is false, then false part will be executed. Conditional operator will take 3 operands, that is why it is called as ternary operator. The symbol of ternary operator is this one. So in the unary, binary and ternary I explained. So here also same concept. Now syntax important. So expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. Expression 1 is the condition, expression 2 is the true part, expression 3 is the false part. So expression 1 is satisfied, then true part will be executed, that is expression 2 will be executed. If the expression 1 is not satisfied, then false part will be executed, that is expression 3. And expression 2 and 3 is separated by column, it is a separator. Okay, now see, expression 1 is a condition, execution starts from here only. Next, expression 1 is the true, then expression 2 will be executed. If expression 1 is false, expression 3 will be executed. Expression 2 is considered as true part of the conditional expression 1, and expression 3 is the false part. of expression condition 1. Let us see the program. So main function same 7c. Now see here, have written c is equals to a is greater than b colon b. So this is the expression we have asked. Now what is c value? Now let us substitute there. What is a value? 2, sorry 7 greater than 5. I am asking, see question mark, 7 is greater than 5. If it is yes, then 7 will be executed, will be displayed. If it is no, then result will be 5. See here how it is stored. 7 is greater than 5 question mark. If 7 is greater than, then value of 7 will go and store in C. If it 5 is, if the condition is satisfied, true part, this is true. If condition is not satisfied, false part, it is false, then it will go and store in the C. Either true value or false value, both will go and store in the C variable only. Right, here what is C value? That is 7, because condition is satisfied. 7 is greater than 5. See here I have listed percentage D is the largest number I asked, that is C. So you will get output 7 is the largest number. See, this is the output. Okay, so these are the conditional or ternary operator. Why it is ternary operator? Because 3 operands or 3 expressions it will take in. Next, it will, expression can be solved by checking condition. That's why it is called as, also called as conditional operator. So like this it will execute. So I hope you understood this assignment operators and conditional operators. So let us see remaining operators in the next video. Until then, please subscribe, share, like and comment. Please support me. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.